Having imported Kai's model here into Blender, there's a couple things to do. First, this is a little bit small, so I can either make it larger or bring the light and camera closer. So I'm simply going to select the model, hover over it, and tap S on my keyboard. Moving the mouse will scale it up and down. I want it to be kind of about the size of the house before, filling my camera frame. Now the camera is a little bit low for this, so I'm going to go to my location and rotation, the orange box, for the camera and move it up into the air. If I go to full rendered mode, you'll see that the light is a little bit far away, so my colors are not very bright. I'm going to click on the light and I'm going to bring it closer. Remember that this red line is the x-axis, so if I reduce this closer to 0, the light will move closer to the model. It may need to go up or down as well, just so that you can get some shadows and some bright colors as well. So now that we've got our model positioned, let's rotate it. So right now I have 90 frames. Let's make that 300. Actually, let's wait a second, because it seems to have confused a few students. Let's do this like we did the simple house. The SketchUp model's rotation is at 0. I'm going to keyframe that since I'm on the first frame. I'm going to jump to 90 and make one full rotation and set a keyframe. That makes this spin around one full time. We get to see the model from every angle from the side, but we need to look down at this model as well. So I'm going to add some more time by going to 300. That's our 10-second video. Students can make longer ones after they get this basic one made, but let's just make a simple 10-second video. Jumping to the end, let's have it go back to 0 and set a keyframe. So this is what the keyframes for rotation look like. If I press play, it spins around one full time and then slowly back the other way. Next, we'll do the camera keyframes, but this should be the basic setup that if you make a video of this, you've got a basic video. We're going to do the nicer video that shows the top of the model as well.